Hey guys, this is it's one of those spring type of guns.
Let's see how far it would go. Technical difficulties. Stand by. Sorry about that. Now let's get back to this. A bullet's already in here. Let's see how high it would go. That is if we can see it.
Remember guys, it goes 275 feet per second.
First let me aim it where there's like no house or anything.
See, you can't see that bullet.
But first, we'll have to see if that car will get out of our way.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah, here's one thing to think about. Think about the gun. Never point it at somebody and shoot at them.
Yeah, this is fucking cool. It's like it's not really too dull. It actually hurts.